Imagine a machine so powerful it can bring down a tree taller than a building in mere seconds. But here's the twist. These machines aren't just built to work fast, they're built to dominate. With blades spinning at lightning speed and precision so sharp it feels surgical, they can slice through the hardest wood like it's butter. Now, here's something even crazier. These machines didn't just build the world we live in, they almost destroyed it too. Yes, while they've powered industries, they've also pushed boundaries that nature might never fully recover from. So, what's the real story behind these mechanical giants? How did they shape our cities, industries, and even the planet? And where do we draw the line between innovation and destruction? Stick around, because the truth behind these forgotten machines will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew. Think about this. There was a time when cutting down a tree meant hours of back-breaking work with nothing more than an axe. Entire forests were cleared with tools so simple, it's hard to imagine how they got the job done. But fast forward to today, and the game has completely changed. Modern forestry machines have taken over, turning what once took hours or even days into a task that can be completed in minutes. These machines are engineered for speed, precision, and safety, making the entire process not just faster, but also far more efficient. Gone are the days of manual labor. Now it's all about technology doing the heavy lifting. In this video, we'll explore some of the most incredible machines shaping the forestry industry today. From gigantic chainsaws that slice through thick trunks in seconds, to advanced log splitters and processors that optimize every step of the process, these machines are as impressive as they are essential. But that's not all. We'll also uncover the unintended consequences of these innovations, as they've brought both progress and challenges to our world. Get ready to dive into the fascinating story of how technology revolutionized forestry, and the lessons it teaches us about balancing power with responsibility. Chainsaws, the backbone of tree felling. Imagine standing in front of a massive tree, towering above you, its trunk thicker than a car. Now, think about how much power it would take to bring that giant down. That's where chainsaws come in, the unsung heroes of the forestry industry. Chainsaws are the backbone of tree felling, a tool so powerful and versatile that it has revolutionized how we manage forests and urban landscapes alike. What makes a chainsaw so effective? It's all in the design. A sharp, fast-moving chain runs along a bar, driven by a high-powered engine. This combination allows the chainsaw to cut through even the densest wood with ease. In forestry, where precision matters, chainsaws excel. They allow workers to control the direction of a tree's fall, preventing damage to other trees or property. Chainsaws aren't just for forests. In urban areas, they're used to trim overgrown branches, cut down hazardous trees, and even sculpt wood into works of art. Modern chainsaws are also equipped with safety features like chain brakes, ergonomic handles, and anti-vibration systems, ensuring that they're as safe as they are effective. It's no wonder they've become a symbol of power and precision in the forestry world. John Deere 7730 Harvester. Precision meets power. If chainsaws are the backbone, then the John Deere 7730 Harvester is the brain of modern forestry. This machine doesn't just cut trees, it does it with unmatched efficiency and precision. Designed for large-scale operations, the 7730 is equipped with advanced control systems that make it a game-changer in the industry. Here's what sets it apart. The John Deere 7730 can perform multiple tasks in a single operation. It cuts down trees, removes branches, and slices the trunk into smaller, manageable logs. Think about the time this saves compared to older methods. Instead of multiple workers handling different stages, the 7730 does it all in one seamless process. Its robust design allows it to handle dense hardwoods with ease, making it ideal for environments where toughness is a necessity. But it's not just about brute strength. The 7730 is also about minimizing waste. It's programmed to maximize the amount of usable wood from each tree, ensuring that nothing goes to waste. In an era where sustainability is key, this kind of efficiency isn't just impressive, it's essential. Stump drills and tractors, the unsung heroes of land. Clearing. Felling a tree is only half the job. What's left behind is a stubborn stump, deeply rooted in the ground. Removing it manually is backbreaking work, which is why stump drills and tractors like the KXF40 are so important. These machines take on the toughest part of land clearing with remarkable ease. The KXF40 tractor is a powerhouse, boasting a 140 horsepower engine. It's designed not just to pull heavy loads, but also to operate stump drills that can dig deep into the earth. These drills break down stumps and roots, clearing the land for replanting, construction, or farming. It's a vital process in forestry, ensuring that every inch of land can be put to good use. But the KXF40 doesn't stop there. It's also a key player in log transportation. Once the stumps are cleared, this versatile tractor can haul massive logs across rugged terrain, making it a two-in-one solution for forestry operations. It's the kind of machine that reminds you why technology is so crucial in modern industries. It turns impossible tasks into routine ones. Log trucks. Imagine a truck climbing a steep, muddy hill, carrying a load of timber that weighs several tons. It's a tough job, but it's exactly what log trucks are built for. These vehicles are the unsung giants of the forestry industry, responsible for moving timber from forests to mills and beyond. What makes log trucks so impressive is their ability to handle extreme conditions. Whether it's navigating narrow forest trails, crossing rivers, or enduring harsh weather, these trucks are engineered to get the job done. Their powerful engines and advanced suspension systems ensure that they can carry heavy loads without compromising on stability or safety. Some models even have the ability to tow other vehicles in distress. Imagine a truck stuck in the mud, unable to move. A log truck can step in and pull it out, showcasing its sheer power and versatility. In an industry where time is money, these trucks ensure that operations run smoothly, no matter the challenges. Wood crushers and grinders. After the logs are processed, what happens to the leftover wood? The branches, bark, and smaller pieces that don't make the cut for timber? That's where wood crushers and grinders like the Moorbark 4036 come into play. These machines are designed to turn waste into valuable resources, making them essential for sustainable forestry. The Moorbark 4036 is a beast of a machine, powered by an 800 horsepower engine. Its 16-blade drum grinds wood at an astonishing speed, producing uniform chips that can be used for everything from mulch to raw material for paper and particle board. What's remarkable about the Moorbark is its efficiency. It can process large volumes of wood in record time, making it ideal for industrial-scale operations. But it's not just about speed, it's about sustainability. By turning what might otherwise be discarded into a usable product, wood crushers and grinders help close the loop in forestry, ensuring that nothing goes to waste. Circular saws and splitters. If there's one machine that truly embodies precision, it's the circular saw. These tools are the final step in transforming raw timber into usable wood, and they've come a long way from their humble beginnings. Historic steam-powered sawmills were among the first machines to use circular saws on a large scale. These mills revolutionized wood cutting, allowing workers to process logs with speed and accuracy. Today, modern circular saws have taken that concept to new heights. They're faster, safer, and more efficient, equipped with advanced technology that ensures every cut is perfect. And then there are the splitters, like the Groy GSW40, which handle the toughest logs with ease. These machines use hydraulic pressure to split thick wood into smaller pieces, making them essential for firewood production and further processing. Their intelligent design ensures that every piece is uniform, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. Together, circular saws and splitters represent the pinnacle of engineering in forestry. They're not just tools. They're the reason we can turn trees into everything from furniture to paper, completing the journey from forest to product. Machines are more than just tools. They are a testament to human innovation and ingenuity. From the sharp precision of chainsaws to the unmatched power of log trucks and the efficiency of wood grinders, these creations have transformed forestry into a high-tech industry. What once took days of labor now happens in minutes, thanks to these incredible machines that combine raw strength with precise engineering. But their story is more than just about progress. These machines have not only shaped our cities and industries, but also challenged us to think about the balance between innovation and sustainability. They've shown us what's possible when technology pushes boundaries, but they've also raised questions about the impact on our environment and future. This journey through the world of forestry machinery is just the beginning. If you want to uncover more stories about the machines that shape our world, hit subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of machinery and agriculture.